Wow.
Tired of dead batteries on your dear feeder? This solar panel is here to save the day. Easy to install on any feeder, weatherproof and built tough for the wild. It keeps your feeder running day and night. Reliable and hassle-free power anytime. Never miss a feeding session again. Get yours today and make feeding easy.
Hi, so I have this Trickle charged solar powered battery charger. So this is an upgraded 15-watt solar powered. This has that built-in MPP controller, so it calculates the highest charging efficiency based on sunlight intensity, and it will actually charge faster. And then it's got, the outer is strengthened so the frame is better, and there's a tempered glass, and it's durable and waterproof. So right now I have it installed on the battery. You got your terminal, comes with the connection. If I were to block this, you can see that the icon's going between the green, red, and blue. When it is fully charging, it'd be red, and when this battery is 100%, this icon will be green. If I were to take this off, you can see that it's going to blue. So it's registering that it's getting solar power. It comes with two different connections. You could have the cigarette lighter or the battery terminal, and it comes with 4 suction cups. So right now I have it mounted on the side of my frame, but you could have it on the windshield, you could have it on the inside of your vehicle, and it has 4 of them. So if you wanted, like on your windshield, you could have it nice and secure with 4 of them. So it's very easy to put in, just twist. So if you're looking for a great upgraded trickle charge that's solar powered, I'd highly recommend this product.
Yeah, no, that's an awesome truck. This is the guy in question, and it's kind of sitting in storage. It's a great truck, but it's just not something that you drive every day. So this is going to be what we're going to be putting this panel on. Make sure that battery is always working whenever we do want to drive it. Okay, so we got it right here just so you can see it. You can see out the wire underneath. And then we are plugged into the cigarette outlet. So that's one option. Now, because of where we're at, the sun is kind of just overhead, and it's going to be going left to right. So if we put it right on the roof right there, this is actually parked perfectly to where we can get that thing charged up just like that. And if we want to connect directly to the battery, we just got it connected right there. Positive, positive, negative, negative. And then we can just let that guy charged up. Now just make sure the batteries stay charged up, so next time we go to start it, it will actually start. Okay, take a look at the 20-watt solar charger. Okay. That's cool. So we can use these terminal leads so we can actually screw these directly to the battery. If we want to be able to take this thing off quickly, we can just use these alligator clamps to clamp onto the battery. And if we're just looking for easy mode, we can plug this directly into the cigarette lighter and use that to charge the car. Very cool having all those options. It comes with magnets to attach it. And they are fairly strong magnets, so that's good. And it's using eyelets to attach it, which is a good idea. So that means we could actually just use some kind of a strap to tie it down if we're worried about wind or anything like that picking it up. So we got 6 of these. We got our instruction manual, and then we have the panel itself. So you can see this is a double wide, so that's how you can tell that this is a 20-watt charger. And we got our controller right here, so we can make sure we're not going to overcharge that battery, because that would be very bad. So it's very nice. So essentially, we're going to be able to just plug this thing in, and then we're going to have to worry about that battery being dead if we're going to come back to it a month or even months later. So this is something I like to see. It actually says the controller will automatically shut off at night when it's not generating power. So that's very nice. Essentially, what that means is, because this controller is going to use some power to actually run the components inside of it, you don't have to worry about that actually draining the battery when whenever this solar panel is not creating a charge. And we can see all the ratings on the back, so that's nice. Most importantly, we can see we got these indicator lights and what those actually mean. So green means that it's fully charged, red means that it's charging, blue means it's under the sun, and it's going to have no lights if there's a short circuit. So if you plug the battery in backwards or anything like that, it's just not going to show anything. And it's nice and lightweight, so I like to see that. And we got this nice clear protection going over the top of it to make sure that these cells aren't going to get damaged. We got the holes drilled into the side, so all we got to do is install those magnets. And something else I just noticed is there's actually a little bit of a foam protection on here, so you don't have to worry about it scratching your car. So we're going to take off the eyelet, and there's a little plastic ring right here. So this plastic is going to go on the bottom, this plastic is going to go on the top, and that's going to sandwich between it to help protect that solar panel. Cool. Okay, let's go ahead and plug that guy in and see how it works. So we got positive to positive and negative to negative. Kind of hard to see, but we got a blue light and a red light. So blue means that it is under the sun, so it's getting a charge. Red means that it's charging, and if it was green, that would mean it's fully charged. Yeah.
I got this solar board charger of 12 volt for a deer feeder. You can see here, it's made to be used outdoors, very nice. It's solar powered. It's made to charge that deer feeder that's out in the field a long ways. If you're tired of bringing in batteries, charging a battery, it's very simple. It comes with your alligator clips here on the side that you can clip onto your battery to begin to charge this. So again, there it is. You can see here, get it connected. Very nice. This is a polycarbonate light transmit with a transmission rate up to 95% and a frame that is aluminum alloy for that extra durability. It's got built-in streaming diode on it. It uses energy from the sun to charge your battery. Again, thinking about those deer feeders or what have you that are way out in the field or way out in the pasture, that you can again hook up a nice solar power. This can mount to a feeder. It comes with the screws as well to mount it properly so it's in the right angle to gather the most rays from the sun. I'm looking forward to hooking this up to the deer feeder and making sure that I have a longer lasting feeding and consistent feeding process.
So here's a cool way to show how low the low range is inside the new 24 Tacoma. This is a pretty good slope on snow, still rolling forward, and as you can see, the truck is currently driving itself. There we go. It's gonna make its way up. Just completely driving itself. And I'm not doing anything. Super low range with the 8-speed transmission on these new 24 Tacomas.
La primer Cybertruck mexicana. No, hombre. Tiembla Elon Musk. Tiembla, papá.